Hello, family. Welcome again to Omega Pod. Omega Kuno here. We love and celebrate you. You are special to us. In Him we live. In Him we move. In Him we have our being. That means God is our source of life. We depend on Him. Thank you for tuning in. And I have one of the best. This guy, the vocal abilities. He has a thing, man. Look on share, but he has that thing, guys. We'll talk more about that. But ladies and gentlemen, please welcome minister. Should I say minister or pastor or phela mafatshe
Fivefold.
yeah,
Yes.
Thapelo Molomo.
Yes.
Then welcome.
Thank you so much.
And how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm
Yeah.
happy to be here, honestly
Yeah.
speaking. It
Yes.
feels home.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels home.
Yeah.
So I'm happy to be here.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know what I like about you, Thapelo? And I
Mhm.
don't buy your face, and I will
Okay.
tell you the way it is. Your humility, bro. Your heart. Your face is not lying.
Mm.
You are what we see. I don't know.
Yeah.
You are what I see. I
Yeah.
don't know how people are saying it, but
Mm.
yeah, you are what I see.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
No, it's true. I am what I am. I
yeah,
guess. So
yeah.
You can't fake who you
Sure.
are. Eventually, it'll show. So it's always best to just be yourself.
Mhm,
Let people receive you for who you are.
Mhm.
So I am this Thapelo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And how have you been doing, except from your traveling things? We'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
Just want you to tell me, how are you? Where are you in the space?
In the
this world?
space.
Yeah.
Well, I've been very good. Let me
Mhm.
not lie. I've been very happy.
Yeah.
I've been connecting better
Sure.
in so many spaces of my life. Family, work, career, ministry. I've been very fine. I've been just allowing everything to move according to the way God wants it to move, with no pressure on nothing. So I've been just in that space, And I think the more you spend time with God, He starts making you understand certain things. Or things are like this because they are meant to be this way. And let things just run itself the way they are.
Sure.
So my trust in God has been so much of lately.
Sure.
Compared to before, or rather, should I say, growth.
Yes.
I've been growing better spiritually in my little corner there.
Yeah.
And I'm able to accept certain things that happen in my life. So I've been well. Can't complain. Yeah.
Yes. And I've worked on your weight, Tap.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Right? Exactly. So
you're looking great.
Thank
man.
you.
Yeah.
Thank
No.
you.
You're expecting someone out there to say, hey, more guy.
Notice, please.
Yeah. So tell me, are you a Joburg boy? Are you born in Gauteng, or are you from
a bit of a both.
Okay.
A bit of a both, because I did my primary in Limpopo.
Okay.
And then I did my high school in Joburg, in Tembisa, to be more specific.
Right. Yes.
But where my heart is, it's Limpopo. I love home.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So I'm a village boy, if I would have to say that. Yeah. So I did a bit of both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how was it growing up there? Did you once upon the time thought, or came to your mind, crossed your mind, or this is where, like what you are today? Has it ever crossed your mind, or when that time coming up from Limpopo?
Yeah.
Sure. Today, or it's just
it's so funny. Actually, as you're mentioning, I'm trying to reflect back.
Yeah.
When I was in primary, I used to sing in the choirs and stuff.
Yeah.
School choirs.
Sure.
Then there was this other time when the boys were not allowed to sing in that choir that year. Then this teacher said, no, I'm going to appeal for you to sing. You need to sing. Okay, they can stop every guy, but I need you to sing. And then that moment made me realize, actually, my talent, it's maybe bigger than what I think it is. Then I started to take it more serious. I started to believe, one day I'm going to be a star. One day I'm going to be a star. I kept on declaring that. Okay, I love school, but this is not where my heart is. So I always just been on that. Would say, man, I want to be a singer.
Sure.
I want my talent to provide food for me. I don't know how, but it has to, at that young age. So I would say what is happening now comes from those affirmation and declaration that I was making as younger. So as they are busy unfolding, I don't get shocked, but I get to be like, thank God that the journey of music from my young age, it continues to show itself even now. So it puts me exactly where I want to be.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I
Right.
mean, I've been working full time now at Kihotsi, but there was no fulfillment, in that space. I was just working because I'm supposed to work. But my heart was on the microphone.
Sure.
I need to sing,
Yeah.
So that's why in every employment that I've been, I always find a way of singing somewhere,
Yeah.
And so, that is that.
I'm mentioning this, and thank God, for the Holy Spirit that just pushed me to ask that question. Because myself, when I was at high school, I remember Banyana Banhloile, Father, for that action, because they asked for a song at the we
Assembly,
still in the assembly.
Yes.
So never get sharp up after school.
It would like you.
Teacher wanna my teacher are doing this. Actually, they were really punished. Why mushimane tlamile abinya pida lona banyana le But it came to me that thing to say, this thing of singing. And I started speaking the same words that you said. Right? I started to become a prophet of my life. One day, it's like a gospel star. And I started saying it, go high, but when I serious, then I started buying the cassettes.
Sure.
Then I started the cassettes,
CDs,
some of Bishop Benjamin and all that. Started listening, Kiba Itisa, number at church, go crying, I'll do their songs, do as if I'm them and all that, speaking life to my life about that. And today, I mean,
it's showing.
Yeah. Exactly. So I'm mentioning this to speak to a young person out there to say you can speak things now. Yeah. We look at primary if you've got that gift.
Yes.
And later on, it becomes
it manifests.
It manifests and becoming really to practicality.
True.
And look at you today. I mean, the world is celebrating you. You are,
man.
And you're between your parents, mom and dad. Who was a singer?
I think my mom was a singer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she was. Because I mean, she sings. She used to sing at church.
Yeah. Okay.
By the way, they're both late now.
Oh man.
But I think my mom was a singer.
Yeah. But now, if really your mom was doing it, because you can sing, and I know you'll try to be humble about it. Literal of it, like don't do it. Like, you can sing, buddy.
Thank you.
No, so that means your mom was good, bro.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
She was good in her times.
Yes,
true, exactly.
Yes.
Definitely.
And you've got passion as well about young people. I remember you hosted me for a talent search in Tembisa. Where are you with that vision? Are you still?
Well, I want to bring it back. Obviously, at that time, I did it with no funds and stuff like that. But it was possible because that's where the heart was. It
was a success.
It was a huge success. It was beautiful. Yeah. So, of lately, because of the nature of work that I'm doing, I couldn't be able to do it. But it's something that I'm definitely want to pursue in doing. Just to uplift the others.
Yes.
I think it's important that as God graces us into a certain space, do it for the others as well. Because we can identify talent, and they don't have resources.
Yes.
So step in a little bit where you can and then give them a push.
And I can encourage you, Tabs. There's a young artist, a female artist in Northwest, in Mafikeng. I was called to come and produce. Just actually, the album is ready. Yes. They just called me just to come and listen and to there and there. The album is amazing. And guess what? After that, she asked me, please, can you do one song on the project? And I agreed, and we do. And when I was leaving, coming back home, she said, actually, it's not for the first time you see me. I said, what? She said, yeah, you remember Thapelo Molomo's talent search? Yeah, I couldn't make it to the top, but you know what? That's where I met you. And you encouraged me after I sang. You are one of the judges there, and you said this and this and this. And today, I took your words. So I'm encouraging you to say what you did. Some they might not meet you or text you their testimonies, but continue to do that.
Absolutely.
And little that you do, you'll never know what he's doing out there.
True.
Look, now she's a recording artist.
She's a recording artist.
Yes, yes, because of that.
Sure.
Yeah. So Let's talk about this one. I'll local fella. Thapelo wa Tora ra o bona. Yeah. What is happening? Tell us, man.
Man.
Yeah.
After the winning of the idols, then while I was at home, then I got a text, Instagram text actually. This company is like, okay, are you interested to sing abroad in a ship cruise, stuff like that?
Sure.
Yeah, this is what we want to pay. And I'm like,
Yeah.
that's a good money. Why would I not take it? You know, like I know maybe it's a scam. Actually, I thought, no, this is not true. You know, no, I can't do this.
Yes.
But no, let's go to WhatsApp. Let's talk more. And we went and then we spoke, and then boom, the deal was actually solid. And then I didn't hesitate. And at the time, I was working for SAPS.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, full time in SAPS. And I'm like, hey, let me sit down. Salary, guys,
Yes.
man.
Yeah.
And no, let me go.
And this one comes with what you wanted.
My life.
Your life.
My life.
You
my
wanted
love.
to,
My first
you're
love,
a singer.
which is singing,
Yeah,
you know?
yes.
I mean, I think it's every singer's dream to get employed to sing.
To sing, yeah.
For life.
And explore the world.
Yep. So, I mean, it had that package for me, you know?
Yeah.
Singing, exploring the world, fixed income. Why not?
Sure.
Let me go for that.
Yes.
And I chose to take a short left.
Yes.
You know, I had to listen to my God. I had to pray about that decision because I was really not sure. Hey, is this going to really sustain me the way I want it to be? And then it actually did till this far.
Yeah. But ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, I'm talking to the Idols winner. That was
2022.
2022, man.
Yeah.
Tell me about that moment, bro. Yeah.
The journey was not easy, let me tell you. That thing, it's something else. It's something on its own. But the thing about me is that it's like, that's why I believe in time. Time and season. It's like, when you know this is my time and season for something to happen, it becomes effortless. As much as it might appear to scare you a little bit, but if it was meant for you to happen at that time, it will.
Yes.
So I went to Idols 2022, just right at the age where I'm supposed not to do it next year. I was like, no, let me give it a try this year. And then I went in. The journey was not easy because I'm a gospel singer to idols. And a traditional gospel singer. Not a place I get feel but a bit more traditional. Anything English, you question yourself, no, is it gonna work and stuff? No. So I took that journey and then started to learn whatever and just went on to the stages and started to embrace my strong belief system within the idols. You know, I started to sing gospel effortlessly, and they would allow it, something that they were not comfortable to actually do. You know.
Yes.
And I remember this other time telling the other contestant to say, guys, I think by far I'm not competing with you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are idols.
Right.
You have all the qualities to actually make it as gospel. I mean, idol stars.
Yes.
But I take a short left from what you guys expect an idols contestants would choose, you know. So I'm not in competition. You guys are amazing in your own way. I'm just here for a certain purpose, you know. That purpose is just to introduce myself to the people, and then I'm happy with that. But let's just see what God will do. You know? And then Modimo had a plan, okay, I will win. And then I won, you know. So the journey was not easy, but it was absolutely right at the right time because Modimo wanted me to do it at that time.
And what if it was his way? Because now you are exploring the world.
Yeah.
Something that you wanted when you were still young.
Yes.
And God has to use idols because now you are
take
the
there.
world. Yes. Because his ways are not our ways.
No, they are not.
His thoughts are not our thoughts.
No, they are not.
He's got his own way of doing things. And look, now you're exploring the world. I mean, that's amazing. From the platform.
Yes.
And we acknowledge it.
Yes.
No,
it played a very vital role. Back to what we were saying, when you declare things with your mouth, they actually happen. Because also with traveling, I mean, my siblings would tell you, I would be like, one day I'm going to fly, guys.
Imagine.
And go abroad.
But
but I know I'm going to fly. I'm telling you the gospel truth when Mr. Omega to say, I've been saying that I'm going to fly and go abroad. But I don't know what like it's short, book you or what. But then I'm going to travel Not I gave it one. I gave like I must go far beyond that.
The power of the tongue.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then it manifested. I am telling you that one, it was so practical for me and so light. So I get some Australia. Actually, I'm doing Australia now. When I went to Alaska, I went to Europe, I went to Carbonang, the power of the tongue. I've never thought in my any day I'd go this far. Nabe keep on I feel like if it's Limpopo, Gauteng. But then when you declare certain things,
yes,
I'm telling you, don't limit yourself when you declare with your tongue.
So maybe your people are very interested. What do you do actually?
There. I sing.
You sing, yeah.
I just sing. Okay, obviously not gospel.
Yeah, of course.
But I sing, we my job is to entertain the guests. Right. So we have guests coming in, they book a cruise. When they book a cruise, there should be entertainment. I come in as an entertainer. We sing. It's a production shows that we do there. They give you the material. You learn, and then you do the choreographies, costumes, blah, blah, all of those things.
Yes.
More of the same similar experience with idols.
With idols, okay.
It's in that level in terms of professionalism.
Okay.
And then you perform for the guest. That's it. I just sing one show a day, and then I tour the world the entire day out. The following day, you're in a different country. You do the same thing again, over and over and over again. So
do you do other languages in terms of songs? Or?
Yes, there's Spanish that you need to know. There's Italian that you need to learn. There's certain songs that requires you to learn Italian and execute it the right way. So we are learning every day. It's a learning journey all the time.
So you almost sing every day, almost?
Almost every day. In a 14-day cruise, I'll do, in 12 days, I'll be singing. There's a show that we need to be doing. But it's fun. I mean, you wanted to sing, though it's exhausting vocally.
I can imagine.
Yeah, but then it's something that you love. I mean, if they say to you are singing once a day, an hour, you would do that and tour the whole world the entire day. Why not?
See, from Limpopo Tembisa to the world.
Exactly. Amen.
Confessing with your mouth, fellow reborn.
Yeah.
Amen. We're going to continue with that, but before we go far, there's what we call Insta-what. We got your Instagram without your knowledge.
Oh, okay.
It's John Jama picture. City screen.
Okay,
City, what was happening? Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, your face, right?
I'm just curious to think what
picture number one. I don't worry.
Okay, I look good.
Yeah,
I look good at least. I look good. But we talk about this picture. I can tell you.
Yeah.
The secret. Somebody will think, how much do you think I bought this suit for? 1.5. You guys go small street.
Oh my God.
And this is what I always say to people. Just go get a nice, cheap outfit, look nice, stop. Actually, I preach a lot about finances to people that manage your, more especially as artists, that I always share a lot with people. Because the artists, I don't know manage the finances. And our talent, and or rather our season of doing well, it's very short. Then you find somebody at that season, hyped up, getting booked and busy, they don't manage their finances well. And you forget Rosasa, there's somebody that will come. There's a new talent that is coming on the block and is going to replace you. That time you don't have finances. Then we start doing what? We start donating for you and stuff like that. Muketa. Okay.
Your tabs.
You know what I'm saying? We are not saying they do it.
It's wrong to enjoy life.
But when there's a season where you are doing well, manages your finances as an artist.
Sure.
Not even as an artist, just entertainment industry as a whole. People must manage their finances. Those things are not important. What's about if it's peace?
But it looks like it was bought by 3,000 pounds.
Exactly. Nothing. Small street. Or what right? So artists should learn to do that. Manage your finances.
Sure.
Hey, don't do too much when you can't. So
1.5.
1.5. Go plug. Serious. Go plug. I wish I be like
it looks amazing. No, it looks good on you. Because
Thank
now
you.
this what is the price for this? This thing Nana Boma
Ah,
8.5.
next. What's
It looks good. Looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next picture, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Amen.
So that's my uniform there.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
We look like this on a daytime.
Okay.
Yeah, because we eat in restaurants with guests.
Oh.
So they always prefer that we have a uniform on. So we put that.
Okay.
So besides singing, just to keep busy, because they've tried to get us activities that we can do sometimes during the day.
Yeah.
Because you can just sing once, 1 hour, what's going to happen to your
Yeah,
whole
no,
24 hours? It's a lot.
Yeah.
So they get us activities where we go to dinners and lunch with guests that came.
Yeah.
Like if you book a cruise, maybe, but okay, Omega would love to go out on a lunch with you. Then we go with your family and stuff like that, just to have a conversations and stuff like that. So we look like that.
Sure. You're enjoying it, ne? It's nice.
It's nice. It's really refreshing. We're learning a lot out there. There's more to life than what I thought there was to life,
You know, I feel like it's our escape.
Enough flight, let's escape. I would choose escape by far with the experience that I got. I feel like it's more safer than a flight. Because look, escape, if there's anything that can happen, there's lifeboats, number one.
Oh,
and the water is just here.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So if you
can save
still save yourself. Yeah,
to save yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, flight. One tropic airman. Exactly. Hi, but it's like, when it shakes. Yeah. Remember when there's times when it just shakes. Right. I am frustrated too. So I'd rather be in a ship.
All right. All right, third picture. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Molas escaping.
Molas escaping.
I
was attending a show in Venda.
Oh, so, yes. But you still have that thing as well. At least the traveling and so on doesn't still do your original.
Oil.
You have said it better.
Yes.
Doesn't still.
No. Be able to separate. I always say that. I mean, you pray for your life. Not to be honest with you, being there also helped me a lot. That's what I'm saying. The growth in God has been so much better because it's like a separation. God separates you. And I took it like that to say, okay, He's separating me for me to go focus and just figure out what in terms of the work of God. So it has helped me a lot in that. So singing that, it's fine. I mean, I get we just singing love songs and stuff like that. Sing and pass and then do your work with God.
Correct.
We minister, we have services there. Yeah. There's, as much as we are different nationalities, there's people that are Christians from Filipinos. There's Italians that are, we've created a bond where we just meet and pray together.
That's right.
So when you come back home, you're still in sync. You didn't lose yourself in the process. Yeah.
Powerful. Another picture? Oh, man.
Where was this? I here?
Yeah. I will understand because you travel, bro.
Somewhere in Europe, yeah.
Yes.
Somewhere in Europe. I've never thought in my day, guys, I would be quoting things like that.
Oh, I love it. Somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere in Europe. I think. Yeah, but I was somewhere in Europe.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, no, we thank God.
Is it not Paris? You guess.
No, it's not Paris.
It's not Paris.
It's definitely somewhere in Europe.
Okay, all right.
Yo. Yeah.
Hey, bro, that life, man.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, South Africa. Or is it South Africa?
I know.
South Africa. I know. It's more than 2 days. No, man.
There's something. I had that as well in the beginning. I had that. You see, my first contract was a mess. And
so I'm not wrong.
At the peak. No, you are not wrong. I left at the peak where I was really booked nicely.
And you're celebrated by that time.
Oh, when okay, it's fine. But I left at the peak.
At
that time. And then, it was really difficult. I don't want to lie. I couldn't wait to come back home. And then I came back home and I'm realizing, I can do this thing one more time. So now I'm very comfortable. I'm okay. I enjoy traveling. I find it fulfilling. I can't wait to leave now.
Wow.
And
Jesus.
I can't wait. It's just that when you want to start a family, then it's a bit tricky.
But you're single now.
I'm single.
You enjoying
you know life. What I'm saying?
Yeah, on stress out. Hey man, yo batung.
Stress so soon because really
But it will take them through. We'll
Yes,
check
they
in with
can
you.
come to the.
Yeah.
We have families that bring their.
Yeah.
There's couples that come down to,
Yeah.
but it's not something that I'm looking to do forever. Honestly, let me be honest.
No,
It's like I'm almost about to finish
then
with
you
it.
come
Then I'm
settle and you
back.
go.
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm just almost.
Yeah.
2 years from now, I should be done.
Sure.
Yeah.
Do you still have another picture? Yeah.
So that's my little baby there.
Ah,
She's grown
man.
now. She's 3 years.
She's 3 years now.
Bro. Yeah.
Hey. So cute.
Wow.
So cute. What's her name?
Thank you. It's Untati.
Untati.
Yes.
That's a beautiful
And I
name.
did a song with Spirit of Praise. Then my baby was Untati.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. That's a beautiful girl.
So, yeah. The baby was made the same night.
Okay.
Yeah. Of doing the song. I'm keeping my fine. Hey, the same night, then the baby was born. No, the baby was conceived.
Yeah, man.
The baby was manufactured. Yeah.
Hey, Thapelo.
So
you are very interesting, bro. You are finishing me. But I'm can fit the picture. I don't fit. Can we pass? Thank you.
And then like show ntshitse ka lebaka le batla mpona ditaba. So it's fine.
No. We saw you with a beautiful little angel. We wanted to know.
No, it's fine.
I
see you.
Your cousin.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Clean done.
Okay.
Right.
Do you still have another one? Are we good? Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's clear now.
Yeah.
So she's my baby.
Yes. No, congratulations. That's a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, Tlaolatela.
Yeah. She better know how to sing.
You don't want her to know how to sing?
No, she better know how to sing.
Yes.
She must know how to sing.
Yeah. So that,
we can speak the same language. Yeah.
True. So now let's come into this one, bro. That is, I believe that is the reason why we've called you here. Your music journey. We had you with us on Spirit of Praise. Yeah, they are 2013.
Yeah, as a backing vocalist. Yes.
Then you came back after Idols, ne?
Yes.
That was 2023.
Yeah.
Tell me about that. How did that, man, from Spirit of Praise being a choir? I can tell you about myself because it happened with me.
Okay, yes.
Volume 3, Lyric Theatre, Nelebatuba 1.2. Spirit of Praise was still, I was part of the choir.
Sure.
Then I was invited to come and be an artist now. So I know the feeling. So I want you to tell me your experience from the choir. Then you coming back.
Yeah.
After that break, now you are invited to Spirit of Praise. The same Spirit of Praise, but this time, it's a different position.
Yeah.
How
for me, it has been a beautiful experience. Let me not lie. Yeah, I think what people don't know, or maybe they can see, it's like Spirit of Praise is a family.
All right.
To be honest, it really nurtures, artists that are already there and the ones that are upcoming, Yeah, and I'm a good example for that. I mean, from being a choir member in 2013, went on to be a choir member again in 2014. And because I declaration, I declare a lot. I say things and they manifest back to that same thing again. Sure. In 2014, when we were in Carnival doing the recording.
Right.
So you see those couches.
Yeah.
Odala Benjamin. I went there to play during the sound check. One day I'm gonna sit here. I'm telling you. I'm gonna sit here one day, wait. I don't know how. I'll say, just laughed. Then boom, 2023. When we were rehearsing there in Wewe, remember I told you, if he's watching, he knows. I said that to Karimruti, remember I told you that one day I'm going to come back here. And I'm sure you won't remember I told you that one day I'm going to be on these couches. I don't know how. And it happened. Was I not on the couch in Spirit Night? I was. Hey.
Yo.
So declare with your mouth, things happen. I went to him again. I'm like, my man, I'm going to be here. So here I'm back again on these couches. So God is faithful. When we declare with our mouth, things manifest, they happen for sure. You don't even worry. Don't worry how they're going to happen. That's not your problem. Just have faith and believe that one day those words, they'll come back and live for you.
I want you to make this one. Phew, I'm like actually goosebumps. I want you to make this one personal. This is your camera, bro. I want you to speak to that young girl, young boy who's really saying, Dilo di tla etsahalang to my life. Because we're waiting to be prayed by people, we're waiting to be prophesied by people. Yes, it's good. We receive those words.
Yes.
But the most powerful prophet that you can ever have in your life is yourself.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
And I want you to speak, encourage that young girl or boy to say, listen, here am I.
Yes.
Because from Polokwane, where you spoke to Seshego, where you spoke to your life, you know, you went to airport, you were just passing there, you spoke a word.
Yes.
Spirit of praise.
Yes.
You declared a word while you were still in the choir. Here you are today, bruh.
Yes.
That's yo.
Yeah. So in simple terms, life and death is upon your tongue.
Yes,
life and death is upon your tongue. What you say with your mouth, it manifests.
Sure.
If you are speaking depression, confusion by saying, that's exactly what's going to come. Those are the outcomes that are going to show itself. But if you have nothing, you do not have to have anything for things to happen in your life. You don't have to have money for things to happen in your life. Speak a word and allow God to work upon your life. Because he listens all the time and he takes note and he will direct you exactly to your path. Remember, the Bible says in the book of Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. So as you are trusting in God and leaning on him, then he's directing your path. Speak life. Speak life all the time. You know, I'm a practical example of that.
Sure.
You know, I spoke a word upon me and things began to happen and they continue to happen. I spoke about a mere thing, a car, that one day I'm going to drive a very nice car. And God did exactly that. One day I'm going to have a home. God did exactly that. You know, speak a word and let God do the rest.
Yes.
You don't have to have any resources. Modimo unyaka usina the resources actually for him to work so that he can show himself. Kana if you have resources, then he won't show. He won't show himself because you are fully loaded, you are a full package of sharp way. Don't have anything and say, listen, I'm going to be a star. I'm going to be somebody one day.
Sure.
Yeah. And that's exactly what's going to happen. It will manifest.
Wow.
Now, I was in the midst of a big choir, the Spirit of Praise. But those people were so good. I remember very well. A lot of those choir members, they were amazing.
Sure.
And I didn't see myself, but I started to look at myself differently and say, one day, God qualifies the unqualified. That's who he is. You don't have to qualify for him. For you to get qualified. He takes the ones that are rejected. Actually, on Saturday, Mapula spoke something about that.
Sure.
I want a curse, you know, and turn it into a blessing. So God does that all the time. He wants the rejected ones and put them into something, into life.
My God.
So God is that amazing.
Thapelo Molomo. Ladies and gentlemen. Like, fine. Yo. The power of the tongue.
Yeah, power of the tongue. Power of the tongue. And wait patiently after you've declared. Don't expect them now instantly. I get what a shapena modimo look shapela. And then he qualifies you at that right time. So I give him so he will answer.
I'm numb because I usually say this, that I'm one of those artists who are really not vocally strong, gifted, you know. I rely on the grace and the favor of God. And I normally say I have my own mouth and faith to declare where I want to see. Because faith, it doesn't take a good voice to speak it.
No.
My God.
Yes.
It doesn't take favor of God to be upon your life. You don't have to be a good singer.
No.
You just have to be a person who is sold out to to this faith, and
Yes.
you know who God is.
Yes.
To speak life,
Yes.
not only to musicians only, even someone at home, your life, you just have to speak a word that is inside of you, not what you're just reading about.
Yeah.
Take the word, make it physical upon your life, and make it tangible, and
Yes.
speak faith and say, listen here, one day I'll be flying, one day I'll be sitting here on Spirit of Praise, one day I'll be this. And here you are literally the result of a spoken word, a rhema word, a word that is from a father that doesn't check who you are. I like what you said, to say he qualifies the unqualified. You don't have to be qualifying for God to manifest his favor and glory and to show the world who you are.
Correct.
You just have to tap in and push yourself to say, Lord, here am I, and I speak a word. Man,
be available.
Jesus
Be present.
Christ.
Be available. I mean, when you're talking about that, I mean, Lena, during the journey, I got the idols.
Yeah.
I used to get a lot of criticism.
Sure.
But you can't sing. They were saying that a lot. You can't sing. And you start questioning yourself, hey, can it, maybe I can't. But I get gospel sing, I'm to it somewhere. You know how they will belittle, what we carry. Why is he making it through to the next levels? Why? What's special about it? I remember there was a TikTok video that was even trending. Somebody was saying, what's wrong with, why what do you see about, guys? Why can't the person didn't know that it's God. People are seeing the favor of God. The grace of God was sufficient. So God will qualify you even if you do not qualify. You don't have to have an amazing voice that they need at that time. Same thing happens in our industry, as well. Well, they say, "Ooh, mama ngakhono bina." Listen, it's fine. Elevate. Because that's what God does. He just keeps elevating us, unqualified as we are. And we become relevant to the ears that needs to hear what God has laid upon our lives. And that's more than enough. I don't have to make you happy and hit a certain note for you to feel that I have the presence of God. We are praying for God to use us, and God will use us according to his ways, for his right people, not for you. Hey, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Today, your passport analyst stamps are almost every country.
Exactly. So God is good. So God is good. So but I'm elevated because that's what I want to see. I want to see the result. Hey, let me be a failure in your eyes, but in God's eyes, let me see grace upon grace.
You're confirming something that I once said. Hey, I will say it now, and I promise my wife that I will never say it anyway. Now I'm saying it in a platform whereby everyone is gonna see it.
It's okay.
Sorry, Marco. Sorry, baby. I once said this. I said, I thank God that I cannot. Let me not say I cannot sing. Maybe let me use skill that the world will say, a musician should have. Maybe
the world's expectations.
Yeah, the world expectation. Yeah. I thank God, probably if I knew or nationality skill itself, I will have not experienced or been on other platforms that I've been through what I am today.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Because probably nke na le pride. Maybe nke na le attitude nketsang hore ke di military platforms tse.
Yes.
But I thank God to be who I am today, because what I have now is creating me to have those platforms and to engage even on those invitation, where even some of the doors I never thought,
sure,
will I be here? I'm sitting with you right now with the very same voice.
I'm telling you.
Qualify. Maybe if Nekili, I would have not get this opportunity even to sit with you.
True.
So, what grace can do, bro.
I'm telling you. It's amazing.
Ooh.
So, Modimo ra leboha.
Hey, Modimo ra leboha.
Re sharp. I appreciate us for feeling so.
Bruh, let's get into this last segment before I let you go. What now? Will you still doing some projects? What are you thinking of future?
No, absolutely. I don't have like a
tangible thing right now.
Tangible thing, yeah. But that's definitely one thing that I will do.
Yes.
For myself. I'm planning to do it the next coming year. By God's grace, I hope for it materialize, which I know it will.
Yes.
I don't work with hopes, actually. I know it will materialize.
Yeah, come on now.
I was so I will be working.
Should we call you a prophet? Because Munna.
A prophet of my own words, yes. I'm the prophet of me. Because, I prophesy upon my life. Because I know the declaration. I can declare things and they happen upon me.
Because I love what you just said, even right now, to say I keep out of hope.
Exactly.
You've
been given the authority.
Jesus.
Thapelo, you are healed.
Come on.
I'm living on authority. I've been given the authority to declare things upon my life. So I'm declaring all the time. I guess something is going to happen. I know it will. There's so many things that God has promised me or rather showed me, and I know they're going to happen.
They're going to happen.
Yeah, and I'm going to witness that.
Yes. I'm just thinking out of the box now. Nahana fella recording how on a boat, cruising boat.
Why exactly.
Something nice. It can be history of which I don't think it has ever happened.
No, it has never.
One person I like thinking out of the box.
Hey, we get connected by reasons. You'll be surprised. We get connected by reasons. That's why we are in certain places.
Recorded live.
Exactly.
In the middle of what?
Exactly.
Red Sea.
Yes.
Buddy.
Go cross that river. Cross practically now we are practicalizing things.
But hopefully for your fans, something will come for next year, probably.
Yes, no, absolutely. I'll host something for sure.
Yes.
So that we can come and gather and have a beautiful fellowship.
Yeah. They will love it actually to have for you to do it at home. I mean, that will be great.
I've never done anything at home.
They will love to see you because really, like you're saying, after your idol spirit of praise moment as well, God opened the world for you, and then you just left. So they didn't get an opportunity actually to. So I think that will be a great platform now to come and experience you closely. It will happen, and we trust God. Yeah,
absolutely.
And all the best, man, for even other future things, bro. And as you told the world, may God make you meet other destiny helpers and connectors. Continue to speak your word.
Yes,
because I still believe that God has just given you a taste of what He can do.
Yes,
because we know that He's able to do exceedingly and abundantly. It's what God is doing now for you. It's just to say, test me still. Continue to try me. I can still show you. And I believe even in your heart, you still want to experience and see more of these things coming.
Yes.
So we wish you the best, man. Yeah.
And as God uplifts us, let's continue to remain in character. And be humble. You know. Because then you're limiting.
Yes.
The more that God has on store for you.
Yes.
So as He's upbraiding you a little bit, continue to seek His face even more than what you were doing before.
Yes.
Then you'll see more of His glory.
And my closing question is not because I know that you are really connected to your local church. You are serving. You are even in the times of your idols season, your church was behind you. I remember they called me for your celebration. I think I was not available, and I was so. They wanted to do a surprise, so the admin of the church called and say, "Oh, Omega, we are doing this. Can you come for it?" I said, "Yo, it's just I'm booked." But how are they taking it? I'm sure they are missing you, man.
No, they are.
Yeah, because I mean,
but with understanding.
With understanding.
Go and hustle and work for your own family. Create stability for yourself. Just don't disconnect from the love of God. Always be within. So that's what I'm doing, keeping it.
And it's making them proud to say, looking at you to say,
it's a reference for the other ones as well. To say, it's possible.
Look what saving can do.
Exactly. Serve and come back and serve.
Yeah.
So that's what happens.
Thapelo, thank you for coming.
Thank you very much.
We wish you the best, man. And hopefully we will have you back to come and share and talk to us about your album.
Yes.
And we trust in God that it will happen very soon.
It will.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We love you and we appreciate you.
I love it.
Keep prophesy into your life. It's
Please,
working.
that's the word of the day.
Yeah.
Just be a prophet of your
Of
own
your
word.
own.
Yeah, speak over yourself.
Yay.
Speak over yourself.
Yeah.
And you'll see what will happen.
Family, we love you. God bless you. And until next time. Ciao.
Thank you. Ciao.